Hello friends, I'm Sachin, and in the today's video I will show you how to install a new theme on Shopify and how to play with the theme. So to start with, you can simply create a new Shopify account if you do not have any account till now. So you can start with an account. You can go to the dashboard, and here you will see online store. Click on it and you will find themes. So on Shopify, the front end part is all managed through different themes you can install on it. And Shopify have a huge collection of free themes as well as paid themes. So once you are in the theme dashboard, you can also upload a theme if you have purchased any theme from external companies like ThemeForest or Template Monster. You can upload the theme from here and use the theme, or you can also use free themes from Shopify. So you can click on explore free themes. You will find quite few like good themes here which you can easily use and set up your store. So for example, I will use this simple theme. Here you have multiple options like which theme you would like to use. So I'll click on beauty and I will add to the theme library. So once you select the theme style, this style will be installed on your store, and rest assured, once you install it, it will not break your front end because the live theme is already up here, and any new theme which you add, it will come here in this list. So all the themes coming here are in a preview mode, so you can play around with the theme, and once you feel comfortable, then only you can publish it here. So you can click on the actions button here. Here you will see preview. Preview is like you will see how it is looking currently on your store. Publish is to make it live. So if you want to make this theme live, you can click publish button. You can rename it to any name you want. You can duplicate the theme if you want to make a new version and play with the theme. You can download theme to save a local copy with you. You can download it. If you know coding part, you can edit the code from HTML very easily on the themes. You can also delete from remove. So I will, and from customize, you can customize the theme section. So I click on customize. It will open the theme. You can see a home page here which you can easily manage, like sliders, navigations. You can add a logo. So in the left bar you have a complete structure. So on the header, you can manage this header part of selecting a logo, showing announcement bar which is here. You can manage the text. We have different theme settings. If you want to play around with the colors, you can update the basic color here. Then we have a sidebar, so you can select which sidebar you want to add here. So you can create a sidebar from navigations and select here. You can edit the slideshow images. You can add new slides, new images, update color, heading, everything from here. If you want to add multiple sections, these themes have a lot of default sections which you can very easily add on your store, like products, collections, banners, image with text, slideshow, newsletter, map, video. You can add on this page very easily. So you can install any theme very easily. You can update through sidebar. So here you can see a drop down where it's a home page which we are updating. You can update the collection page, collection list page, blog, cart. You can edit the content. You can manage the sections in every page from here. So once you are done with the updates, you can simply go back to the themes and you can click on action and publish the theme. So once you hit publish, this theme will go live on your store, and the previous one will come here in the preview mode. So now you can see the simple theme is live. You can click on view your store and it will show the live theme on your websites. So it's very pretty easy way to use the themes and update the themes from Shopify dashboard. Thank you.